Hey you. I'm a better phone than you.
No, you're not. I am. Prove that you're the better phone.
Why do you have an awesome camera on here?
No, but do you have amazing internet connection?
No, but do you have Skype on your phone? Because I do.
Yeah, I have Skype too. But I'm sure you don't have Facebook.
Ha. Yeah, I do. You think you could win, bitch?
Pardon me? My name is Caitlin, and I bet you don't have amazing internet history on your phone.
Yeah, actually I do. My history says Facebook, Hotmail, images of dogs, images of Kim Kardashian, and the list goes on. How about you?
Well, my history says porn. 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 Oh wait. That's kind of dirty. I can't believe Caitlin would actually go on porn.